Hello world, it's me, Crystal Method, back to show you another sock design. These are actually the same design of the t-shirt I wore in the last video, designed by my friend Frank. It's on this puzzle. I'm gonna be bringing these with me to the Christmas tour. Come see me at Murray and Peter Present a Drag Queen Christmas. Tickets available now. I'm going to Sugar Tank, so I thought we would do a really quick makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do this look reimagined, inspired by the illustration. And then we'll like go out, we'll see Gigi. I think Alaska Thunder is performing. Good times to be had. Lux is gonna be there and I'm really excited. So let's do this. Boo! Hey, I don't really have any idea what I'm doing. I love doing a white face because I feel like if I need to get ready fast or want to just go really crazy with colors, white allows for that. I just think that that was sexy. And so I am gonna actually keep a couple little just flecks not blended in. I'm gonna mostly just map out everything with my black cream. Let's do one like kind of cute fancy eye, but it's gonna be large obviously. These eyes look kind of sleepy in the picture to me. Oh darn. So I have an eye. I'm gonna try and do these crazy lips. That was pretty quick. It's giving very Mickey Mouse character so far. Just trying to let it speak, you know, come through me. Okay, love her. Let's try and do this heart on my cheek. It's really more, oh, excuse me, I'm burping. It's really pretty angular. I'm gonna try and keep it that way because I'm usually pretty cutesy.
Maybe a little more heartsy.
What do we think? I kinda love her. The next eye is gonna be kinda easy because it's just a huge black eye. I think I'm gonna make this really smoky. It's giving like more spooky eye than I'm wanting. But I guess that's what I just drew on. Let's make it a little bit more happy here. You see what I mean? Maybe just a little bit of ooh. You know, we're just 2D-ifying our face. Just a little guy. I did this. What the heck? Oh, and I want to do a crazy eyebrow. I'm artistic, or what is it? Artistic, Cheers, y'all. It's gonna be lit tonight. I'm gonna say that this eyebrow is really bad, but the best part about a look like this is that it doesn't matter. So we're just gonna not obsess over it because we have fun plans and we're gonna powder our entire face. This is gonna get messy. Oh my Nika, I'm learning about responsibility. Oh my god, my eyes, do they look red? No, that's just the color of eyes, okay. Ugh. Let's dust all this off and then I'm gonna go in and just lightly contour with a gray. This is the color Sylvia from the Vivienne palette. Just really buffing her out. Perfect. And we're just gonna hit our highlights and essentially bake while we do our eyeshadow. Makeup is a journey. A light blue. Yeah, never panic. You can always fix it. Beautiful. And since the eyes are so purple in the comic, I thought that maybe if I added a little purple under the eye, I'm pretty much done with this eye, can you believe? So now I'm gonna just take this little flat black brush and tap in all the black. It is at this point when I do my highlighter. So I'm gonna dust all this extra white powder off and use this really, really awesome white highlighter. This is the highlighter. Depixum. So this is my NYX Plump finish. I don't really know what any of that means. And oh hey, I'm filming over here. Let's put this highlighter on. Under the eyebrow, we'll do our highlight. Just like too much of it. Yes. Here too. Let's just do a little bit of that. And then just cause I'm here, I'm gonna deepen this, buff that. We're at that part of the makeup tutorial where I tell you I'm done and I'm not really. But I'm gonna do my eyeliner. Basically, I'm literally just gonna outline everything I have. Here we are. So my eyebrows I always do with an angled brush. Look how good. We are getting there.
Now I just need to do my lips, and I'm gonna use the same liner, and then I'm gonna pack.
Okay, what up? My battery died, but all I did was I set black powder into everywhere I put eyeliner except right here, which I just thought of. What's really sticking out to me right now is the lashes. We need to curl our lashes.
Hello.
Hey.
Do you want to play a game?
Mascara time! Just because it was a little hard to do it on camera, I did the black eye waterline in black, and this eye waterline, I used a fat white liner like this. Made it white, and then cleaned it up with some black. Layers, 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 layers. This is Kimchi Rainbow Shards. And it's not really the color I want, but I'm just gonna add it here in the middle, and I think it'll... Let's take a shiny purple and just... I want it a little bit more shiny even than that. I feel like whenever you put a lash on, you should take a pair of scissors to it before you put it on your face. Do you see? Just like a very delicate... Is that kind of fun? Oh my god. Okay, we got her on. This is a lash. Just like that. For glitters, I found this really fun moonstone. It kind of shines purple. I love her. I also chose this fire opal, kind of more pinky orange. Oh my gosh, she looks beautiful. I do need my white accent to the nose. I did an exclamation point. A very thick one, because I was like, I want it to stick out. I need a Sharpie so I can do my mole. Where are you, Sharpie? Crystal, when is the EP coming out? Okay, here we go. Ready, set, action. Sharpie! Wow. I didn't breathe. Oh my god, it really ties the whole thing together. Okay, I just need to go change. Ta-da! We did it! Oh my gosh, I'm ready for Sugar Tank in my black and white fantasy. I think I'm really pulling it off. I've worn this before, but I mean, I'll do a full body video, but I I untied it. I'm wearing it a different way because your girl is a stylist. I can't wait to bring you along to Sugar Tank to see all the performances and to have a little fun and maybe be a little mischievous even. Let's go!